Looking for the best drone in 2026 without spending a fortune? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress that offer impressive cameras, stable flight performance, and advanced features like GPS and obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a beginner or an aerial photography enthusiast, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AE60 GPS RC Drone 8K 3-axis Gimbal. The AE60 drone features an 8K HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage. It comes with brushless motors, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, and a large-screen FPV controller for real-time viewing. This drone stands out for its stability and smooth video recording. The 3-axis gimbal helps reduce shake, making it ideal for aerial photography. GPS adds better control and return-to-home functionality. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 8K camera support, GPS and obstacle avoidance, large-screen controller. A strong option for users who want stable footage and advanced features at a reasonable price. Number 2. L600-1 Pro Max 4K Drone. This drone features a 4K HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal, GPS support, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi transmission for real-time video transmission. The L600-1 Pro Max offers a balance between performance and affordability. It's easy to control and provides stable flight, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate users. Pros: reliable 4K camera, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, stable GPS flight, good value for money. A great entry-level drone for beginners who want GPS and safety features. Number 3. F8 Pro Max GPS Drone 8K Camera. The F8 Pro Max comes with an 8K HD camera, brushless motors, GPS positioning, and a foldable design. It also includes a remote controller with a built-in screen. This drone is designed for convenience and portability. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the built-in screen controller removes the need for a smartphone. Pros: foldable and portable design, built-in screen controller, GPS stability, and brushless motors for longer lifespan. Ideal for travelers and users who want a portable drone with built-in display convenience. Number 4. S-X1 8K GPS Drone Mini UAV. This compact drone features an 8K camera, 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, brushless motors, 5G transmission, and GPS positioning. Despite its smaller size, the S-X1 delivers stable flight and decent video quality. The anti-shake system helps improve footage, making it a good choice for casual aerial shooting. Pros: compact and lightweight, 3-axis stabilization, GPS and 5G transmission, easy to carry. Best for beginners or casual users who want a lightweight and easy-to-use drone. Number 5. M66 Folding Drone 25-minute flight time. The M66 drone features an 8K camera, optical flow positioning, obstacle avoidance, and a foldable design. It includes a 4.5-inch screen controller and offers up to 25 minutes of flight time. This drone focuses on battery life and usability. The longer flight time allows extended shooting sessions, while the screen controller adds convenience. Pros: up to 25 minutes flight time, foldable design, built-in screen controller, easy to operate. A good option for users who prioritize longer flight time and simple controls. These were the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, the AE60 with a 3-axis gimbal is a strong choice. For beginners, the L600-1 Pro Max offers great value and safety features. And if you need portability, the F8 Pro Max is a practical option. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.